Zhang Ming'en is a Chinese actor. He was born on May 6, 1995 in Heilongjiang, China. He graduated from the prestigious Central Academy of Drama. During his school and early college days, he participated in some short films and a sitcom's bit part before officially debuting in 2016 with a memorable role as Adjutant Zhang Rishan in the tomb riding series The Mystic Nine. He went on to star in a spin-off of the series titled Tiger Bones Plum Blossom, which focuses on his character. In 2022, he starred in The King of Light in Zichuan. He became successful in his profession within a limited period of time, where he influenced people on the basis of his career and earned a lot of fame. In 2020, he starred in Tientsin Mystic too. The same year, he also played Ultimate Note. In 2019, he starred in Destiny's Love. The same year, he also played Nice to Meet You. In 2019, Zhang also starred in the television series Nice to Meet You, the sequel to the 2017 hit drama Because of You. The same year, he starred in fantasy drama Lord Critical World. In 2018, Zhang reprises his role in the spin-off to the Mystic Nine Tomb of the Sea. His performance was well received by viewers and received acclaim. He was cast as a male protagonist for the first time in the romance supernatural drama Destiny's Love. In 2017, he acted in a highly acclaimed mystery fantasy web drama Tientsin Mystic. In 2020, he worked in TV show Everybody Stand By Two. With what he's shown everyone so far, we have a good feeling that we will be seeing a lot more of Zhang Ming'en in the years to come.